Hey guys, I'm Matt Brooks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite Louisiana dishes, jambalaya. So here we go. We've already laid out our ingredients, saved some time, chopping ahead of time and stuff, all except for our celery. Celery we're going to chop first. For this recipe, I would say about 2 cups of celery. Now we're moving on to our next step. You can cut them any way that you like. I like to cut them long ways down the sausage and then slice them into little pieces. Sometimes you can even do 2 at once or more. Alright, now we've got our mound of sausage here. Gotta get them cooked. We're going to throw this on probably about medium-high heat. And the sausages will have enough cooking grease in them already, so we don't have to worry about adding any grease to the pan. Check out the steam coming off of those sausages. Now we're going to take our sausages out of the pot so that we can cook the other vegetables down. So this is the bowl that I've got the chicken in. I've already prepared it. It's just some chicken thighs. You can prepare this ahead of time so that you don't have to worry about your whole cook time. It smells amazing, looks delicious. So depending on how much grease is released from your sausages cooking, you might be able to brown the rest of the vegetables with the amount of grease that's in the pot already. First thing we're going to add is 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. We're going to throw in our onions for another amazing aroma. These onions smell amazing. They're looking just translucent. We're going to add our next vegetable, which just so happens to be the celery. But first, gotta cool things down a little bit. You could use any mixture of peppers you want. You could just throw in plain green peppers if you want. I like to make it a little bit more colorful. So I have the red, I have the orange, and I have the green. So you add a lot more color to the dish. It tastes delicious, but it's also about looking pretty. I'm very good at this. Delicious. Now that I've wasted all my sausages, let me continue with my vegetables. Alright, our vegetables are all nice and wilted. So I've got a whole can of diced tomatoes with the juice. I've got 4 cups of chicken broth. About a half cup of water. Throw in a teaspoon of liquid smoke. Give it that nice smoke. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Mix that all together. More rice. This is about 2½ cups. Now it's time to add the meat. Alright, we've got everything back to a boil. We'll move it onto low heat. We've got to put the lid on, and we'll cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes until all the rice is absorbed. And it'll be ready. Secret ingredient, not so secret, we'll throw in our bay leaf. amazing. I think it's all ready. It's important to remember, you don't want to fluff it until you're ready to eat it. But you can serve it in the pot that it's in. Needs a little bit more. Kick it up a notch. Hits the spot.